find the elements hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. If we put water into a freeze, it will turn into ice. It will turn into ice. So, if we analyze ice, we will also find chlorine. We will also find the element hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen. From this experiment, we find that if we analyze water, we will find hydrogen and oxygen. If we analyze ice, we will find hydrogen and oxygen. If we analyze with vapor, we will find oxygen and hydrogen. Inner elements are same, but outer side is different. Water is liquid, vapor is vapor, gas, and ice is solid. Okay, so the change is in the outer portion. Okay, so inner elements are same. Transformation is like that. In science, we find that two kinds of change, like physical sense and chemical sense. We can compare transformation of sentence with physical change. Clear? Like that. If we burn this dye, it will turn into ash. Ash will not come again. The dye. Okay. So this kind of change is chemical change. This kind of change is chemical change. Clear? So we can compare transformation of sentence like physical change. Clear? Okay. If we change the sentence, the meaning will be same. But structure will be different. Clear? We the guys are different. Actually, there is no word in the dictionary different. Okay, its actual pronunciation is different. Clear, my dear students? So, transformation of sentence means like that. We have to know how to change affirmative to negative. Okay. First of all, we have to write the word, which word is given in the sentence. Then you have to use not. Then you have to use opposite word of the adjective. In this way, we turn affirmative to negative. Okay. Object. Affirmative. Ma'am, M-A-N. What will be the pronunciation? Men. No, M-E-N. That is men. Spelling different. Pronunciation is also different. M-A-N. This is called Ma'am. I am showing you how it is Ma'am. M-A-N. This is the spelling. And this is the pronunciation. In Bangla, compare with more. In Bangla, compare with Zofalaka. In Bangla, compare with Untondo. So, is it men or Myan? Which? Myan. M-E-N, that is men. So, spelling different, pronunciation is also different. Okay? So, M-E-N, that is men. M-E-N, that is men. W-O-M-A-N, O man. W-O-M-E-N, women. So, spelling different, pronunciation is also different. Inshallah, I will teach you gradually. So, affirmative. Myan is more than. Myan is more than. We will turn into negative. M-E-N. What have I said? First of all, you have to write the subject. Write the subject first. Myan is.
Not.
Then you have to use not. Not.
Immortal.
Then you have to use the opposite word of that given word. So mortal Immortal. Immortal. Okay. In Bangla, there is mortal. It is called Manush Moronshil. In Bangla, it is called Manush Omoronshil. In Bangla, it is called Manush Omoronshil. So, structure is different. Structure is different, but meaning is same. Clear, everybody? Is there any doubt? No doubt. Okay. I'm giving another example. Mr. Paul, P-A-U-N, Paul is a not A. Some guys say A. Actually, this pronunciation will be A, not A. Clear, my dear students? Mr. Paul is a noble man. Okay. What's your name? By opening your mouth. Abdullah. Abdullah is there. What will be the negative? Mr. Paul is a noble man. Mortal, immortal, rational, irrational, logic, illogic. So what will be the opposite word of noble? Sorry. What do you like to say? What's your name? Sorry, opening must. Simon. Okay, Simon there. Mr. Paul is the noble man. What will be the negative of this sentence? Yes. Mortal, immortal, rational, irrational, logic,
Ignoble.
Ignoble. Do you agree? Everybody agree? Yes, agree. Some guys say we will die by the speech of all people's speech. No, I will not die without rational reason. In Bangla it is called অনেকেই বলে দশের কথায় মরণ মার, দশের কথায় মরণ মার। আমি কিন্তু দশের কথায় মরবো না যৌক্তিক কারণ ছাড়া। সবাই ভুল করে আমি ভুল করব না। I will not do this deed. I will not do forget. I will not do any kind of this deed. By the inspiration of all people, I have to think by my psychology. Clear? So, Mr. Paul is a noble man. Mortal, immortal, logic, illogic, like, isn't it? Noble, illogic. You have thought your perception, but it's not actually correct. Noble, ignoble. You have to know, you have to analyze with the dictionary. You have to analyze with the dictionary. So, opposite word of noble is ignoble. Noble, ignoble. Not ignoble. Clear? So, Mr. Paul is Mr. Paul is not an article will be also changed. Isn't it? Ignoble. There is vowel. Yes, Mr. Paul is not an ignoble man. Ignoble man. Clear? Everybody clear? 100% clear. Is there any doubt? No doubt. Okay. So, Mr. Paul is not an ignoble. The meaning is same. The meaning is same, but structure is different. This is called transformation of sentence. This is called transformation of sentence. Okay? In transformation of sentence, you have to maintain condition and meaning. You have to maintain condition and meaning. Clear, everybody? Yes? In Bangla, it is called ortho ebong shorto ঠিক রাখতে হবে. In Bangla, it is called ortho ebong shorto ঠিক রাখতে হবে. Clear? So, transformation is like that. So, in book, in our as usual book, there are many rules. There are many rules. By reading rules, our head will be puzzled. So, we will not read so many rules from the books. Our head will not be puzzled. Okay, we will learn some tactics, some techniques, then we will be able to answer in the exam very shortly, very clearly. Okay? In Bangla, it is called like that. পরে পরে রুল মাথা হয়ে যায় গন্ডগোল কাজেই পড়বো না তো রুল মাথাও হবে না গন্ডগোল পরে পরে রুল মাথা হয়ে যায় গন্ডগোল কাজেই পড়বো না তো রুল মাথাও হবে না গন্ডগোল শিখব শর্টকাট কৌশল পরীক্ষায় হবো সফল, তাই না? হ্যাঁ, আজকালকার যুগে শর্টকাটে মানুষ এত নিয়মের বেড়া জাল ভালো লাগে না। We have hundreds of rules, many rules in books, many rules. So we will not memorize that rules. Our head will not be puzzled. So I will take you, I will give you, I will show you some tactics. Okay? By following that technique, by following these tactics, you will be easily understand how to go affirmative to negative. Okay, I will show you. Okay, Rahul. So, my dear students, how we do, we will see. Okay, in the book, many rules. In the book, many rules. So, we will not follow the rules. We will follow some tactics. Okay, inshallah, after completing this lecture, I will deliver your note sheet. Okay, I have made it on my own way. Okay, so follow. Yes, draw the picture. Affirmative, negative. Here, SN means serial number. SN means serial number. Okay, follow that. Number 1, only. Some guys say one. It's absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. Not one. Only. The pronunciation is only. Okay. Yesterday I told you we know wrong thing as correct form. Yes, Ranapas, what is that? We know wrong thing as correct form. What is that? As correct form. What is that? Yesterday I told you.
Pronunciation.
Yes, we know wrong thing as correct form.
Fossilization.
Yes, fossilization. We are in fossilization. We say education. Education is not correct form. Education. We say knowledge. Knowledge is not correct. Knowledge. We say college. College is not correct in English. It will be college. Okay? We say message. Message is not correct. It will be message. Inshallah, I will teach you. Inshallah, if you help me. Will you help me? Everybody, will you help me? Yes, everybody. Yes, okay. So, only or alone. Negative, in the negative it will be number. N-O-N-E, number. In the regard of person. In the regard of person. Person. Then, nothing but. Then, nothing but.
For
In the regard of,
any matter.
yes, thing. Thing. Not more than. Not.
A number or age.
Yes, not more than. Not more. T-H-A-N, than. T-H-A-N, then. T-H-E-N, then. T-H-A-N, than. Clear? So, spelling is different. Pronunciation is also different. Clear? So, not more than. Age and number. Age, number. Clear? My dear students. Number. Clear? Age, number. Not less than. Clear? In this regard, age, number. Okay, number 2. Number 2, must. M-U-S-T, must. In negative, cannot but. Okay? Cannot but. Plus B1. What is B1? B1 means base form of verb. Okay? Or, oblique. Or cannot have. Or cannot help. Cannot help V plus ing. V plus ing. Clear? So, okay, copy it. Everybody copy it. So, my dear students, have you copied? Copied. Have you copied? Yes, copy. Good. Should I rub out? No. Okay. How much time do you need? How much time? 2 minutes or 3 minutes? 2 minutes, okay. Okay. Should I rub out? Rub out? Okay. Aziz, come and rub out. So, in the book, there are many rules. There are many rules. By reading rules, head will be puzzled. Head will be puzzled or hazardous. So, we will not read the rule, head will not be puzzled. Head will not be puzzled. Inshallah, after completing the lecture, I will tell you a rule. Okay? Which is made by myself. Okay? Example. Affirmative. Affirmative.
True, negative.
Yes, affirmative. Only the Almighty Allah can help us. Only the Almighty Allah can help us. Negative. Okay?
None but the Almighty Allah.
Yes. Now follow the chart. What have I written in the chart? Only. None but. Okay, Allah is person, thing. But in written we have to make it in a format. Allah is not person, not thing, but in the written format we have to write something. So only the Almighty Allah can help us. So only follow the chart. Follow what is written in the chart. None but in the regard of person. So only instead of only what should we write? None but. N-O-N-E. None but